Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to enable or activate developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, to activate developer options, first thing first, you open settings menu and you can scroll down and you open about phone, click it. Next, open software information. Yep, in this build number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. Enter your lock screen password. Allow development settings, click OK. Developer mode has been turned on. Okay, next we click back. Back again one more times. In your settings menu, you can scroll down and now you can find developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. Okay, successfully to activate developer options menu. In developer options menu, you can find so many hidden settings for your device like memory and DPI or minimum width, transition animation scale, and so many hidden settings for your device. But you have to understand before you activate it, because if it's wrong can cause problem like black screen or reset. Okay, enjoy settings on your developer mode. Okay, for the last, if you have finished, you can turn off your developer options. Tap this icon on, you click it and your developer options is turned off. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.